First, decide which platform you'll use to display your work. Quickly set your aspect ratio, resolution, segment, and pick the garment type. For this photo shoot, I'm going with a full body style. Click Next right away. Upload your file, and you'll get a confirmation as soon as your garment uploads successfully. Double-check the garment category, choose your preferred fit, and hit Next to move forward. Today, we're skipping the template to keep things unique. Pick the model that fits your idea best. Scan the available backgrounds and select one that matches your concept. We'll use different poses you can see here. Capture clear shots from the front, back, side, and a close-up. Once you're happy, hit Next to start styling. Add accessories that really bring your design to life. Try out different accessories: bags, belts, sunglasses, hats, props, scarves, socks, watches. Choose the mood you want. For this, we'll go with a soft smile. If the look is just right, hit Review. Happy with the result? Click Generate. Your photo shoot will be ready in no time. Your photo shoot is finished and stands out nicely. Take a look at the auto-generated listings. To preview it on the platform, just tap Preview. Need your files? Use the download menu at the top right for PNG, JPEG, or XLSX formats. Ready for the next step? Click Next to start making your video. Pick a template, hit Render, and your video will be generated quickly and ready for you to check. That's the full workflow, from start to finish.